What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how I did my nails using this DIY glitter mix. Alright, first I'll be starting off by pushing back my cuticles with this wooden cuticle stick that I got from the nail mall, of course. But you can find these pretty much anywhere, or you can just use a metal cuticle pusher. It's up to you. Next, I'm going in with this 180 grit nail file, and I'm using the 180 grit side to file the shine off of my natural nails. And you don't want to file too deep. I know it probably looks like I'm doing it a little rough, but this video is sped up. Alright, these are the tips that I'll be using, and of course they came from the nail mall. Alright, so now I'm about to clip down my nails using a pair of scissors. Of course, you can just use your nail clippers or whatever you have. I just decided to use scissors this day. And now I'm just filing them using that same 180 grit file. This time I'm using the 100 grit side to shape my nails into the coffin shape. And this is what they're looking like so far. So next I'm going in with these two powders, the Kiss Clear powder and then that pink powder, to mix with these glitters that I have here that I picked up from Daiso for 1,000 won, which is basically $1. And these are the two colors that I'm using, this pink and then this champagne gold. And I also picked up these clear containers from Daiso as well. So first I'm taking this pink powder, which is more like just a clear pink, it's not like a opaque pink, and I'm going to mix that with the pink glitter. And I'm just eyeballing this, there's no measurements involved. I kind of just mix, and then if I felt like I needed to add more glitter, I would add more glitter. And then I just grab me another cuticle stick to mix up the glitter. But you're going to also see that I end up shaking it. I put the cap on and end up shaking it up a little bit. Alright, so now I'm about to go in and mix my clear acrylic with the champagne glitter that I'll be using. And I didn't make a lot of this one because I knew that I was only going to be using this color or mixture on just my ring finger. So I knew I didn't need a lot. Alright, and now I'm going in with, oh no, this is the acrylic liquid, so I'm pouring that into my dapping dish. And here I'm just using that Kiss clear powder and putting down a thin layer of clear on all of my nails. This blah blah blah. I ain't starting this over. This is to make sure that the glitter doesn't stick to my natural nails. Also, if you're using like color powder or whatever, you also want to do this same tip so that the color does not stain your natural nails. Alright, so now I'm just going in with the gold or champagne glitter mix first and putting that on my ring finger. And I'm only doing a thin layer of this as well because we're going to encapsulate this glitter with another layer of clear. And of course you don't want your nails to be too bulky because that ain't cute, okay? And then here I'm going in with the pink mixture and I'm putting that on the rest of my fingers. Alright, so here I'm going back in with my clear acrylic to encapsulate all of my nails. And the reason that I'm doing this is because when I go back in to file and reshape my nails, I won't disturb the glitter, because if you do that, then your nails will look patchy, and you don't want your nails to look patchy. You don't want to lose your color or your glitter, so that's why we encapsulate our nails. Alright, so once I've done with that and my nails are completely dry, I'm just going in and reshaping my nails, and I'll be filing across the top to remove any lumps and bumps. Since I'm still new to this, I still have lumps in my acrylic application, but that's okay, because by the end of this year, honey, I'm gonna have it down pat and y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Okay? Nothing. Alright, so once I got done with that, I thought I wanted to go in with some bling. I'll show a clip of what it looked like. I ended up not liking it, so I ended up taking them off and just going with a clear gel top coat. And this is the finished results of what I came up with. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.